You're on.
And I'm going to talk about how some Asian glaciers are putting on mass. So some of the glaciers in Asia's Karakoram range are defying the global trend, it says, and getting thicker. This is really weird because any other glaciers, even in that, like around in the Karakoram range, are obviously losing ice due to like global warming and yes, and so they think the region's glaciers are poorly studied, yet provide a vital water source for more than 1 billion people. The response of Himalayan glaciers to global warming has been a hot topic ever since the 2007 report of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, which contained the claim that ice from most of the region could disappear by 2035, which obviously came as a surprise when they noticed, because of the satellite data from 1999 to 2008, they've realized that the ice is actually, the size of the glaciers has increased marginally, so a little bit. This method of, the method of like satellite pictures has been used before in other mountain ranges, but it's not as straightforward as it might sound. Lead researcher Julie Gardell says it's not being used more because these elevation models are quite difficult to acquire. You need like clear sky conditions and like reduced snow cover and other factors that can change the height of the ice surface, other than the changes to the ice itself also need to be accounted for. I have no idea what these factors would be. Having done all these calculations, the team found that between 1999 and 2008, the mass of the glaciers in this 5,615 square kilometers region increased. They're not sure the reason, but they believe it's because due to climate change, there's been causing more precipitation over this area, which if it's cold enough will be added to the existing mass of ice. But yeah, that's just an estimate, they don't know. So, I'm ready for questions.
Wait, so in that conference that they were saying that the water source could run up by 2035, but since it's increasing, how does that change?
Well, that's just what they predicted in 2007, due to like the rate at which it was already going. But obviously, it's surprising. Nathan?
So it's just that specific amount. It's just that Karakoram mountain range right now.
It's not even the whole range. It's just like a small bit of it. So.
What are the local people or the scientists' reaction to this? Are they like pleased by this, or they don't really know what to do?
Well, I don't think the local people really know due to their not having access to these satellite data. But there doesn't seem to be like any reaction in it. They just say they don't know the reason.
Okay, you're good.